Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can find and delete all marks in Facebook application. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. So let's get to our topic. And please open the Facebook application on your phone first. And then you'll need to go to your page. Next, click on the three dots. Activity log. Activity history. Wait for it to load. If you have a lot of activity on Facebook, it may take a while. Next, filters. Categories. Your Facebook activity. Posts and tags. This will take you to all the tags you have on Facebook. These can be marks that you've put up, or they can be geolocation marks or people marks. And in order to, for example, delete any of them, click on the three dots. And then click Delete. And then the mark will be immediately deleted. Friends, this is the way you can find as well as delete marks on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please write comments, put your likes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.